Hi, welcome to the channel. Today I am going to show you how we going to find out some noise come from this wheel, passenger rear wheel, and I'm going to show you how am I going to find out what's going on there. But I know by experience, but I'm going to show you what's going on, what happened here. Basically, this brake pad need to be changed. However, I'll show you what's going on step by step here. Right, I'll already install one of my mic here. Then I'm going to take this car backward and forward and show you what's going on. Yes, you can hear. Right, I done the diagnostic. Now I'm going to show you how am I going to change rear brake pad. Just remove the wheel cap and just undone wheel lock nut, because I am happy to do this way by hand. Other all nuts I'm going to use my gun. Jacking point underneath here. That's it, no need to jack up too much higher. Yeah, if your tire stuck, it won't come out. I'll give you a nice tip. You can use rubber mallet hammer or just tiny kick here like this. That's it. Right, next step I have to remove my mic. We need a 10mm socket for this job, because this bottom one already mixed up from the previous time. Then because of that I am going to use in my lock plier. Right, very gently tap, then it's loose. Yeah, I'll show you. Yeah, now you can remove by hand, because there is a weight carrier there, like a pin with the weight. You can see this is the one, because they mix up the this. After that you need to release parking brake, otherwise you are not able to remove that caliper. Put to the first gear and remove the parking brake. After that you can spin your wheel freely. Right, you can see this is the exactly the problem. Inner pad has a brake pad wear indicator. You can see here shiny point. Yeah, you can see that this shiny bit, it's touched the this, that's why it's making the noise. Another thing, you can see uneven brake pad wears, because I feel this caliper or this slider pin little bit sees up. Top one good, bottom one I feel sees up. You have to remove this slider pin, clear, grease and reinstall. After that you are not get this problem anymore. Then I am going to rewind your caliper piston. Right, I am going to press in the caliper piston. You need to turn clockwise. Right, all in. Okay, take out the tool. You can see this piston all way in. Now after that I am going to take out one by one slider pin, shing and clean install. Remove one by one, otherwise you are going to mix up. First you remove the top one and clean. You can see bottom one has a plastic something rubber, like a grip or something. That's why if you mix up first bottom and the top one, you ending with the problem. That's why I always say once at one time. Right, now freely moving. Then after that, you need to remove the top shing and clean nicely. And you can reinstall. Sometime your new brake pad come with the new shing. If it not, you can clean and reuse. If it come with the new brake pads, better to install new one. Okay. Right, next step, install the wheel. Don't use gun for the wheel lock. Right, once you tight the lock nut, make sure this key, leave it for the safer place. Otherwise, when you're going to remove the tire next time, if you can't find, you ending with massive problem. Right, install this cap for the, make it nice. Right, all outside job done. Now I'm going inside the car and show you what I'm going to do inside the car. Make sure go inside the car, this brake pedal, press slowly, slowly 10-15 times. After that you feel it will get hard. Then after that you need to go to the parking brake lever, lift up, lower, lift up, lower. Do 10-15 times. After that it will adjust automatically. Same time, pump. Then we'll go for a road test. Customer with me. Yeah, you can't hear any noise at the moment. Yeah, no noise. Yeah, good. Anyway, we'll go for a small road test and come back. Yeah, I don't want to go much far. I'm happy with the job. I'm going back to the garage.